Right.
Couple more.
Savannah.
1, 2, 3. Take some this way. Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Good.
I feel like I'm frowning.
Are you frowning?
Hey, Ashton, can you put your hands down?
Okay, one more
There you
time.
go.
I feel like I'm frowning.
Everybody look at me. Ready?
Savannah.
1, 2, 3.
right.
Woo!
I feel like I'm
All
like,
right.
Good job, you guys.
Thank you.
Mommy.
Hot
Going
seat.
through them all. All right.
We better get you out of this.
Yeah.
I'll be ready.
Grandpa, how do we get out of here? Can you get a horsey for us?
Look at you, bud. All right. What do you think of that? Pretty cool? All right, buddy. Is that pretty cool? Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
You want to help me, Dad? You want to help?
I would try to run the horsey with me. I was sitting on that bed. Actually, you want to ride that horsey? He said Daddy didn't sit. I sit in that lap and he didn't sit with me on a horsey.
Oh, I love you too. Savannah can do it too.
Mama take a long time.
Yeah, we'll be able to ride him in a second. You, Ashlyn. All right. Looking pretty good up there, Ashlyn. Let's have another big smile.
Big smile.
Okay, come on, guys.
First they're wrestling, now they're monkeys.
Which one are you going to ride next?